guys! What's up? And welcome back na naman din. Sa ating channel. Okay, so today, napakita ko sa inyo yung dati, yung last natin is Dagger, SNS, Battle Staff. Ngayon, etong favorite natin na weapon. Okay, yung pinakauna, the Givenchy style, Great Sword, mga papi chulos. Okay, ang sabi dito, mga bossing, the Great Sword is burst firepower, mastery that uses status effect to concentrate powerful damage in a short time. Specially designed to perform excellently in 1v1 combat only. 1v1 lang talaga. Kasi sa large scale, wakwak to. Okay? However, skills that defend against or remove status effect have become more common. It's becoming increasingly difficult to finish 1v1 battle quickly and overwhelmingly as before. According to some, skill effect have been adjusted to provide opportunities to continue fighting even in unfavorable situation and to create opportunities for comebacks depending on control. Ang sinasabi dito, yung GS kasi natin ngayon, yung current GS natin, pagdating ng mga 5v5, large scale fight, wakwak talaga yung boss. Lalo na pag nadali ng mga stun, crowd control, status effect, wala na talaga. Pero sinasabi nila dito, comeback Israel kay GS. So may comeback daw. Opportunity to comeback. Okay, for comebacks, no, ni GS. So basahin natin yung magiging adjustment. Si Berserker, o nga pala guys, hindi magkakasunod to. Okay, yung mga skill na iisa-isahin natin kasi inuna dito si Berserker no? Hindi naman ata siya yung una. So tatlong skill lang yung naiba. Tatlong skill lang. Okay, so tignan natin. Okay, yung Berserker na skill ni GS. Okay, yung una, ito talaga yon. Okay, ito talaga yung pinakauna. Ngayon, pagka in-enhance na, enhance, tas yung enhancement plus, tas yung Berserker na secret skill, ito yung secret. Okay, so basahin na lang natin. Berserker. Consume 500 HP to deal an additional 10% physical damage to the target. Attack hit for 10 seconds. Ito yung dati. Ngayon, consume 500 HP to increase your melee attack power plus 5 and attack speed by 1% for certain period when using basic attack for 8 sec up to 5 stack. Pangit to. Dito tayo sa enhance. Okay, ito yung sa weapon traits. Okay? Yung una, consume 500 HP to deal 20%. So, ito yung dati niya. Okay? 20% additional physical damage to the target on basic attack. Hit for 10 sec. Yung bago niyan, mga papa, spend 500 HP to gain 10 melee attack power and 2% attack speed for 8 sec when using basic attack of 5. Parang hindi siya parang hindi ko trip tong una, itong enhance. Tarig na natin ditong enhancement plus yung Berserker. Yung existing, consume 500 HP to deal 30% additional physical damage to the target, basic attack. Ito yung dati. Okay, yung ngayon, 300 seconds na yung cooldown. Ba't lumaki?
Ganda nung
Your HP does not drop below 1 for 5 sec. Uy! Legit ba to? Para kang naka-Immortal Knight? Grabe naman this. Kaya naman pala 300 seconds. Baka naman. Dapat kinuha lang nilang mga 100 yan. For comeback nga, pero once lang. Grabe naman yun. Sana man lang na 100 sec na lang nila to. Oo, para mas makatarungan. Pero okay lang. Medyo Immortal Knight-ish type tong shit na to. Okay. Okay, so hindi siya mamamatay sa loob ng 5 segundo. Okay ayos Yung existing niyan, ito yon, consume 500 HP to deal 30% yun, basic attack and recover. Ito yung 100-100 yung favorite natin Okay, ito yung favorite natin. Ito yung adjusted. Secret weapon. Your HP does not drop below 1 for 10 seconds? Hala! When your strength is 35 or higher, your PvP melee damage plus 10% and status resistant plus 50% increase for 10 seconds. Grabe to, pang 1v1 by. Kahit 5v5, palag-palag eh, oh. Tapos overcome. Puta, mag-GS na kaya ako uli. Hala. Pang content lang ba, no? Grabe. May bago, Anger. Ay, hindi. Ito pala yung dati pala. Bago. Ay, yung dati pa rin niya ito, Anger. Itong Anger, ito existing nito. Consumes 500 HP. Ito yung attack speed, no? Attack power, attack speed. Ngayon, bago na. Consume 500 HP to gain 20 melee attack. Dati, 5 lang. And 3% attack speed, parehas lang. For 8 sec, parehas lang. Using basic attack, up to 5 stacks. So, parehas lang. Tumaas lang yung melee attack niya. Pero solid to. Ulo. Ang PvP talaga, no? Ito naman yung range. Okay. Yung dati nito, 500 HP. To increase melee attack power. Attack speed, 5% for 8 sec. Yung bago, for 10 seconds, 10 segundo na, no? Basic attack gains 30. Tumaas ng 20 attack power. And attack speed by 5, parehas lang. Up to 5 stacks, parehas lang din. When your strength is 35, this additional 30% physical damage to target on a basic attack sheet. Grabe naman yung GS ngayon, boy. Ang lakas ng ani. Yan, no? Plus pag 35 na, plus 30%. Grabe naman yan. Okay. Pwede namang one hit ata to. Hindi, joke. Siyempre, laki ng attack power ng GS, eh, no? Sabay 30% mo pa. Okay, dito tayo ngayon. Half Moon Slash. Oo, eto. Deals physical damage to arrange, To arrange around yourself. Ito yung Half Moon, no? Ito yung dati. Okay, 150% up to 5 people. Okay? Ngayon, bago na. Ito yung bago ngayon. Deals physical damage to arrange around yourself. Yun yung umiikot, di ba? Yung Half Moon, umiikot yun eh. Yung skill ng GS. 150% up to 5 people for 8 sec. Your melee damage is plus 3% and melee defense penetration increased by 20%. So, medyo bumaba to. Tama? Hinahina yan. Dito tayo sa augmented na na Half Moon Slash. Parehas lang, augmented. Augmented. Half Moon Slash augmented. Parehas, pero magkaiba ata sila ng Basahin natin. Yung MP bumaba din, no? Imbis na 370, naging 277. Okay? Deals physical damage to arrange around yourself around 160%, maximum 5 participants. 5 participants. 5 people. Loko. For 6 sec, increases your melee damage by 7.5 and melee defense penetration. Ito yung dati. Yung bago niyan, okay, total 160, parehas lang. Maximum 5 participant, parehas lang. For 8 sec, medyo humaba to. Increase yung melee damage 7.5, parehas. Humaba lang yung duration nitong augmented. Itong isa naman yung strike, Half Moon Slash strike. Yung dati, deals physical damage to target around yourself, total 185%, maximum 5 participant, attack have 40% chance to be critical hit. Yung bago, physical damage around the target, 140%, bumaba, up to 5 people, attack power plus 40%, parehas lang, critical hit, parehas lang. May bago dito, deals 325% physical damage on hits when within range at the end of the sword. Sa dulo ng sword, lahat ng tatamaan ng nasa dulo ng sword. So, para siyang sino nga ba to yung sa LOL? Ay, hindi. Sa ML na lang para mas madali. Yung dragon? Sino nga yung dragon na yun? Nakalimutan ko yung umiikot yung nagiging dragon sa ML. Di ba yun? Yung may skill yun na umiikot eh. Tapos yung dulo nun, yun yung masakit. Oh my goodness, man. Okay, so, ayos. Ayos yung ginawa nila dito. Sino nga kasi? Ang laki nun, yung dulo. Basta dulo yung tatamaan no? Within range at the end of the sword nakalagay. 'Di ba? Meron kasing ganun eh. May hero na ganun sa ML yung nagiging dragon. Tapos umiikot siya, lahat ng nasa dulo nun, mas malaki damage, critical talaga. Parang ganun din tong GS. Okay Crescent Slash naman tayo. Okay, yung MP niya bumaba din, no? Yung dati niya, physical damage to target in a straight line. Ito naman yung sa straight line, yung dati. Okay? Si Alucard yun Hindi si Alucard. Hindi si Alucard yun. Yung nagiging dragon sa ML. Sige, comment nyo dyan. Attack range increase, 185% maximum. Ito yung dati. Yung bago niya, deals physical damage to the target in a straight line in front. Attack range increase significantly. Significantly. So, dahan-dahan. Tama ba? Total 185%. Oh, so, yun lang yung naiba, yung range. Okay, so pag. Parang ganun. Hindi siya yung isang bagsak na straight line. Tama? Yung, di ba, straight line, pinukul ni GS yung yung half moon niya ng straight line. Dahan-dahan daw, significant eh. Pag. Para, Yuzong! Tama, si Yuzong. Parang si Yuzong, papa. Di ba may skill yun, yung umiikot? Tapos yung dulo, pag tumama yung dulo sa kalaban, critical, mas masakit. Kesa yung mas malapit sa kanya. O, ganun si GS ngayon. Bossing. Akalagay, malinaw. O, next tayo, yung, roundabout case. Ano to? Iba yung pangalan niya, no? Pero basahin natin. Rotating scale diffusion. Okay, bumaba yung MP. Yung dati niya, deals physical damage to the target within forward cone shape range. Okay, so ito yung kamukha ng kamukha ng Terenos ba yun? Ay, hindi. Ano nga ba yun yung sa combat na na ability? Kamukha nun. Earthshock, para siyang Earthshock to eh. Ito yung parang Earthshock eh. Okay? Yung bago niya, deals 3 physical damage to a target in a straight line in front. So naiba lang yung straight line lang siya. Dati one shape range lang eh, parang ganun. Okay? Yun yung binabato. Yung binabato niya, 'di ba yung isa umiikot? Yung sa GS may isang skill yun binabato niya, yung may parang binabato siya na parang kulay dilaw eh. Okay, so rotation strike earthquake. Basahin natin 'to. Yung dati deals 3 physical damage to target within forward cone shape. Reduce the target's movement speed 30% for 3 sec up to 5 people. Ngayon yung bago, deals physical damage to the target in straight line in front. 165 bumaba. When your strength is 35 or 80% chance, stun na naman. Hala? Ang dami ng stun ni GS, boss. Grabe naman yan. So another stun na naman ni GS, papa. Ayan oh. For 2 sec, up to 5 people pa. Putang ina mo. Stun siya na wala, ang ganda nito, naka GS na destroyer, bossing. Ubod ng daming stun nito. No? Destroyer GS, man, ang sarap nito, pang 5v5, no? Oo, ang ganda naman ng GS ngayon, nakapagpa-level nga ng GS. Charot. Spinning Strike, Blood Expansion. Deals 3 physical damage to the target within the forward shape. Forward 1 shape area, grants Blood Explosion. Total 200% and deals 80% additional damage. Ito yung dati. So parehas lang. Parehas lang tong Blood Explosion. Yung pa rin yung dati. After 3 seconds. Ito yung tinutusok niya yung kalaban, tas after 3 seconds, puputok. Ito pa yung dati. Naiba lang yung seconds ng cooldown niya, humaba. Tas yung MP bumaba. Okay, so ganun. So si GS, para na siyang Immortal Knight, dadagdagan ng stun. Napaka-solid naman na itong GS natin, mga bossing ko. Oo. Okay. Yung sa stop, ayokong basahin. Nerf yan. Bahala na kayo dyan. So yun. Ito muna, bigyan natin ng isang matinding yung GS natin. No? GS talaga, favorite natin to eh. Okay, so ito lang for today's video. Great Sword. Lagay ko na lang din yung link dyan sa baba. Bahala na kayo dyan umintindi. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Once again, this is Medj TV. And see you in our next vlog. Peace out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Peace.